My name is Helmut Schuller. I'm the owner of Schuller Company, and we are providing digital twins in the plant industry. I started 5 years ago building up a service organization in the plant industry, actually integrating different software suppliers together. So as a customer who does have different solutions, different products from different vendors, we actually started to integrate these different solutions. This is the way how we started as an organization. We do A, which is Aviva. B is BOCAD, is actually a structural modeling software. These both products we are showing in here. And we do some consulting services as we started the whole company. This is actually what we are presenting here at the AUTOMA. I think a lot has been achieved in the meantime because there's so much digital data and information available, but in the end there are too many silos out there. So it's a perfect future for this industry, for the IT industry, because at the end it doesn't help to keep data in silos. It needs to be integrated. It needs to be, made available to the users. And due to homegrown systems, due to the nature of IT, because so many new things were coming up, it's actually a fantastic future for our industry here, and especially whether it's oil and gas or whether it's chemical, it doesn't really matter. It's for all industries, it's exactly the same thing. It's actually very difficult because there are so many brownfield projects out there, and the question is how to gather all this information in an intelligent way. Even if you scan a 3D plant, you do have just a point cloud, that's it. If you scan paper, you do have, scanned documents. But at the end, what's in the real plant needs to be represented in an intelligent P&ID, in intelligent data, and it's much easier to gather information from a process system, from a DCS system. That's very simple. But at the end, for the authorities, you need to have, a well-documented plant in order to get approval and permission to operate this plant. And the key in here is how can you integrate all this information? How can you bring this information together? This is the real challenge in this industry, and again, there are still too many silos, and the question is how to extract this information, or how to combine this information from the silos with the real, with the live data, which because the plant is in operation. And likewise, when you do, a revamp on the plant, you start with an engineering design step, and during this design, you actually work with a copy of the live data, and when the revamp is finished, then you go with this new data into operation. So it's managing this individual set of data and information documents. This is the real challenge for all those customers we do have in here. The most important thing is to be, whatever you pick, you have to use, solutions which are open, which are flexible, and where you do have, the ability to integrate other systems. So, because there are so many new things coming up, like artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, if you want to take advantage of that, you have to be the ability to integrate this new technology. And therefore, use something which is open, where you do have APIs to integrate with other systems, and do it step by step. You need to have a big dream, a big vision, but do the implementation step by step. That's the most important advice I can give here. It's the first time being here at AUTOMA, and I'm definitely going to come back because what I really appreciate and what I really enjoy, it's an industry-specific event. It's a kind of a family gathering, so to say, and I do have the opportunity to meet so many people. People software suppliers which may become partners, and we may work together in projects because it's all about this open architecture, as I said. The second thing is meeting customers, let's say all the big boys of this industry, they're all in here, so it's a perfect platform for us. You know, this is actually the biggest surprise to me because I'm not used to that. Because we're going to events and then we don't have a personal manager, or I have never had a personal manager in there. And but it's so fantastic because it's Maria. She introduces us to anyone we need to talk to, and the entire team is actually helping us in here, finding the right people, having the right conversations. So this is brilliant, brilliant. It really starts with the team. Organizing the whole event, because again, I never attended an event, and I attended quite a lot of them, but I never experienced, let's say, having a dedicated people who is really supportive in whatever we need. So if I want to talk to someone, a specific customer, if I want to talk to a specific partner, potential partner, whatsoever, this team is doing everything, let's say, to make it happen. This is brilliant, outstanding.